Welcome back to our channel, dear viewers. Today, we have an incredibly important topic that affects so many of us: joint pain. Whether you're dealing with knee discomfort, neck tension, or shoulder aches, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore 7 amazing and effective ways to relieve joint pain and improve your overall mobility and quality of life. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Understanding joint pain. Before we jump into the solutions, it's crucial to understand what causes joint pain. Joint pain can result from various factors, including age, injury, overuse, and inflammatory conditions like arthritis. It affects people of all ages, so it's essential to address it proactively to prevent further complications. Number 2. Maintain a healthy diet. One of the most significant contributors to joint health is the food we eat. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet can work wonders for reducing joint pain. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, walnuts, and chia seeds can help alleviate inflammation. Additionally, colorful fruits and vegetables loaded with antioxidants should be a staple in your meals. Number 3. Regular exercise and stretching. Staying active is crucial for joint health. Low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, or yoga can strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, providing them with better support. We'll also show you some simple and effective stretches to keep your knees, neck, and shoulders flexible and pain-free. Number 4. Hot and cold therapy. Applying heat or cold to your aching joints can bring immense relief. Warm compresses can relax muscles and increase blood flow, while ice packs can reduce inflammation and numb the pain. We'll demonstrate how to use both methods correctly for maximum benefits. Number 5. The power of topical analgesics. Topical analgesics, such as creams or gels, can be game changers for joint pain relief. These over-the-counter solutions provide localized comfort by numbing the pain and reducing inflammation. We'll recommend some effective and natural options for you to try. Number 6. Mind-body techniques. It's fascinating how our mind can influence pain perception. Mind-body techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help manage stress, which, in turn, may alleviate joint pain. We'll guide you through a short mindfulness session to get you started. Number 7. Seeking professional help. While these self-help methods can work wonders for many, it's essential to remember that everyone's situation is unique. If your joint pain persists or worsens, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide tailored advice, suggest physical therapy, or explore other treatment options suitable for your specific needs. And there you have it, 7 amazing ways to relieve joint pain from knees to neck and shoulders. Remember, it's crucial to take a holistic approach to joint health, combining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress-relieving techniques. Let us know in the comments which methods you found most helpful, or if you have any other tips to share with our fantastic community. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and pain-free.